So you want to change your name for your Apple ID? Well, in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can change your name over on and for your Apple ID. So let's get started. First of all, this will work over on your iPhone and iPad as long as you're using the latest iOS version. So let's get started. The first thing in order to do this is simply boot up your phone and then head over to settings, just like this. Make sure you're using the original settings app. Once you've done that, click on your name at the top of your screen. It will most likely be the first option for you. Just click on your name and profile picture. Once you've done that, click on personal information. It will again be this first option you will find. Once you're at this page right here, it will say personal information. Then the first option you will see is name. Just click on that, like this. Once you're here, you will be able to change your first name, your middle name and your last name. Once you're done with changing your name, all you need to do is click on Done at the top right corner of your screen, like this. And once you've done that, you will notice that now your name has been changed. And when you right now head over to your Apple ID, it will also be changed within a few seconds of changing. And you will also notice that you will get an email saying that your name has been changed over on your Apple ID, which is completely fine. And that's basically all you need to do in order to change your Apple ID name. So, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.